This is the PM2000 series, our ultra-capacity portable power station with a peak output of 2000 watts. When unexpected blackouts happen, PM2000 keeps your home running without interruption. Just connect it, and all your household appliances come back to life immediately. It powers phones, laptops, TVs, speakers, fans, everything you need. Even high-power devices like air conditioners can run smoothly on PM2000 series. Reliable backup. Massive power. Always ready for emergencies or outdoor needs. PM2000 is equipped with a built-in inverter, seamlessly converting DC to AC. It supports direct solar charging, perfect for sustainable, off-grid energy. Connect it to your solar panels, and it stores energy to power various AC devices. Ideal for camping, remote job sites, and solar backup power at home.
Welcome to E-Abel Factory. As a wholly owned subsidiary of ITAP, E-Abel Energy is deeply involved in the research and development of PCBA and OEM/ODM for battery storage products in China. We provide one-on-one customized services for overseas projects, flexibly adapting to market demands. We take pride in our advanced production and testing equipment, rigorous quality management system, and outstanding R&D team, dedicated to meeting the diverse needs of various industries, including home energy storage, commercial, and industrial applications. From portable devices to home energy storage, with output power ranging from 300 W to over 10 kilo, we continuously design intelligent products that cater to a variety of application scenarios. At E-Abel, we possess cutting-edge production and testing equipment, supported by a professional workforce, and have established a robust quality management system and a top-tier R&D system. Our specialized team not only operates as a high-performance battery production facility, but also serves as a global provider of energy solutions to meet worldwide demands. E-Abel specializes in the production of various high-performance batteries, distributing them to destinations around the world. We proudly employ over 300 staff members, occupying an area of 3,000 square meters. Within this space, the principles of flexibility, practicality, and excellence are consistently applied, as E-Abel Energy is dedicated to providing customers with perfect energy transmission solutions. Thank you for choosing E-Abel. Let us collaborate to shape a remarkable future in the energy sector.
You want to? He's charging. How about 79?
Lift, manual forklift.